4 ways to protect your penis as a man. That is what I want to share with you in this video. The 4 perfect ways you can use or adopt to take good care of your joystick so that you will live a healthy life. You will perform well and you will respond when the need arises as a man. This is very important to all men. If you are a woman watching this video, please recommend these tips to your man to be the best version you want for him. So thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching this video. As you stop to watch this video, I pray that you are blessed. This channel is for men and natural ways to keep men. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos for men. So join this channel by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell anytime I upload a good video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. You will be notified to watch my new upload. So it is good for you to subscribe. Now, if a man is not living healthy, there are things that may cause this problem or why he is not living healthy. Yes, it may be carelessness, it may be infection, it may be disease that causes this. So you need to take care of your male organ to be the best version of yourself, to perform well and to live a healthy life. So the 4 ways to take care of your penis are: number 1, clean up. Clean your penis around, that is your perineum. Clean that place up, that is between your lap and your scrotum, your lap and your penis. Make sure that you clean it up to avoid infection and to avoid inflammation. So it is good for you to always clean up your penis to avoid infection. You can use mild soap. Don't use chemical. Don't use anything artificial to wash your penis. You can use mild soap. Mild soap is good. There are soap that contain antibacterial. So that antibacterial will help you to destroy any infection, any fungal bacteria around your manhood. So make sure that you clean it up to destroy anything that may cause infection around your penis. Number 2 is to examine yourself. Examine your penis yourself. Yes, examine your penis yourself. Sometimes when you want to take your bath, look around your penis. Look it very well. Look thoroughly to see if there is anything like infection, inflammation or burns around it, which may cause you uncomfortable in the future. So make sure that you examine penis yourself to know when things are abnormal with it, so that you can take care of it at the earlier stage to avoid affecting your health and also to avoid affecting your performance. Number 3 is erectile problems. Yes, what do I mean by this? When your penis is unable to rise or to come up when the need arises. If you detect this many times, then you need to go and see your doctor. You need to go for diagnosis. You need to take proper care to stop this erectile problem. So anytime you experience erectile problem, make sure that you go for treatment to fix this problem, to avoid going to a higher level. Number 4 and the last is make use of your penis. This one is also important. Yes, if you always make use of your penis, it will help you to stop or prevent cancer. Yes, it can also help you to prevent, that is, your scrotum problem. If you also make use of a penis, it will also help you to live long. Because, yes, making use of a penis is not bad. It is good. After all, God created it, but make use of it in a rightful way. So it is good to make use of your penis so that you will live a healthy life. You will live long, live smarter, have concentration, and be the best version of yourself. So if you don't make use of your penis, it may affect you. So make sure that you make use of it in a rightful way to help you live longer and to also help you take good care of yourself and also perform well as a man. So these are the 4 ways to take good care of your penis, and adopt these 4 things or 4 ways. By the grace of God, nothing will happen to your performance as a man. So that is it in today's video, and I hope that you get value. Join this channel by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a good video, you will get notification to watch my new upload. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. I will never hesitate to reply your comments as fast as possible. See you in my next video. I wish you good performance as a man. Bye.